Okay guys, welcome back to another day on my vloggy vlog, and today is gonna be like, I'm just gonna do a little bit of cooking with you guys because I've never shown you guys me cooking before, and something that I love to do is to cook. I don't cook very often though. I could cook some more, but hey, thank God for the days when I do cook. So today I'm gonna be making some fish. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna make fried fish or steamed fish. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do, but I want to make some fish. I want to make some pumpkin juice and something. What's the one with my shop when I'm done? Kind of give you guys a little bit of clip of what I'm doing in the kitchen today, so stay tuned. So I already started with the peas, guys. It just been there boil and ting and ting. Must will season up that one already. Pouring now in the pot. Encourage them, you know what I mean? So do some real good work, yummy, creamy. And then after we pour in the coconut, this is coconut milk I just poured in, by the way, and I'm now going to season the pot with some seasoning. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make some fried fish. I decided that I was gonna do fried fish, so I'm gonna start adding a bit of seasoning to this fish. I'm gonna start with the all-purpose seasoning, which is from Goya. I love seasoning, so I have some like a packet season up from Maggie. I use one of these as well. So and because I use so much, I don't really put a lot of salt. I'm just going to put a tip of salt in it, about this much. Oh, about this much. Because I'm already putting enough seasoning in there, so I'm gonna put some black pepper, and this is the Badia ground black pepper. Sorry for the noise. Not that much. We're gonna use some Easy Spice Jamaican fish seasoning. I'm gonna put that on it as well. We're going to put a bit of pimento seed just for flavoring. Fish seasoning from the Maggi packet. Just since I already use the Easy Spice, I'm just going to put a dab, and this one dab of ginger, not much, just a bit. So when you get all the seasoning on it, it looks like this. We're gonna use our hands. Yes, hands. You know, to cook you use your hands. Girls, don't be using spoon to season up the meat. Right, so we're just going to spread the seasoning over all of the pieces of fish. This would have been even more flavorful if I did it from last night and kind of just put it to marinate, but that never worked out, and I'm doing it today. But before I do anything further, I'm just going to cover it up with the cover, and I'm going to put it in the fridge to kind of marinate for a little while, and then I'm just gonna cut up the rest of the seasoning that I'm going to use to make the sauce. So done seasoning the fish, covering up for marination, and then on to the next step. So while my rice and peas is cooking, I'm going to attempt to make some pumpkin juice. So right here we have some sliced up pumpkin, and I'm going to put a little bit of carrot and apples in it. And I'm also going to add the dragon and a bit of the subdigit.
But right now, I'm going to tell you what I feel like, you know. I feel like just let out the dogs. Like she all a map more project. But I done far before. Yes, I heard it, so I'm seeing it.
My fish is also ready. I fried all the fish, them no juicy down. Yum. Yeah. And I made somebody ate some of my potatoes, and I think I know who the culprit is. Guys, when I finished up my tossed out my raw veggies, and I add some raisins in there just for flavoring and sweetness and all that geez. So it's cabbage, carrot, and some raisins. I wish I had some purple cabbage, but I don't. And I know making the sauce for the fish. I don't mind how big my tomatoes are. I kind of like to make my tomatoes big. And I don't like to fry out my seasonings too much. I like them to still have the juices in it. And I'll finish the rice and peas. Alright guys, I added, this is the fish sauce. I added some pumpkins and some carrots. I'm now simmering it down. Yeah, saucy. Just done cook. So we have the fish with the little pumpkin and carrot sauce over here. So a little cucumber and tomato salad, and my raw veggies with raisins, like a potato salad, rice and peas, and sprinkle the gravy on it, and my delicioso pumpkin juice for me and Amor. She claimed to say she don't like pumpkin juice, but whatever. No mega eat, I'm tired. Hey guys, yes, girl, you going out tonight. So it's restaurant week. Wait there, because I don't feel like yeah, so it's restaurant week in Jamaica, and I'm gonna start out tonight. Second day since restaurant week has started, and me and some of my friends are just going to hang out tonight. So I wanted to wear a jeans. I didn't want to do anything much. I wanted to wear a jeans because I've been loving jeans lately, guys, and I'm not somebody that really love jeans. My friends are outside, so I'm kind of have to hurry up. And I've been kind of loving white lately too. That's another thing. Where I push. Come on. Yes, come down. Don't even go back in the car. Oh yeah, there you go. So tonight we're meeting Cartman. I want to try. When we get there, y'all will officially meet Scott, okay? So see you guys later. Sabo! Big up yourself for my vlog. Alright, them tell you happy birthday for my vlog, you know, Sabo? I'm not even ready to tell you. Alright, big up a Sabo, that's in the seat. Alright, later guys. Guys, remember my Sherry's? The first vlog ever. So if you're an OG, you'll know Sherry's. Sherry's still in here. Hey guys. Alright, so we'll see more in action later. Bye. Alright guys, so we're at the Green Haze, and this is the first time I've ever been at the Green Haze, so I'm gonna check it out and make them know what it's like. Hi. Tell them hi. Hi. Alright, so we're gonna enter the place now and we'll tell you. You guys will see how vibes it is. So I guess if you guys want to come and check out Green Haze Hookah Bar and Lounge, you can do so. At the first may I come here, so I'm gonna get a first time experience as well. What's happening? Hey guys! I'm from Bendo, you know it's thing already. All my friends are short. Oh my god. Sherry's looking different? No, she's looking the same. Still playing with her hair. So Sherry's still got fun tonight, right? Watch out, yes. See Sherry's bottom look there. Sure. What I'm telling you, he asked us about reservation. Oh, we have reservation? No problem. This one is new on my blog, guys. It's
Kurt,
Scott.
you know, aka Woody. Everybody knows that.
Alright.
Yeah, everything is.
You want to shout out the girls?
Yeah,
then?
shout out to all of my baby mamas, you know. Although
single?
them still not prove say my one. But I'm still at own it up because I'm a good youth. Yeah, I don't know. Everything good, bless.
Wait, name Sharice? Bertwood. Big up to
Some
Bertwood.
Bertwood, you know.
Big up to Bertwood. I don't know you, but big up, eh?
Bertwood, I mean.
Alright.
Soon start school.
So you look no girl, no.
No,
You're
man.
single, you take care.
No, you don't know, say, right you know, I'm just, I'm to describe it. I'm just flexing, you know.
Chicks don't look so excited tonight, so I don't know what's his problem. What's your problem?
Go that check.
Oh. I say I might get hype, I might get too comfortable with my camera now. And get hype, you see? Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to have some food and then keep it pushing. This is the menu. It says green haze, huckleberry and loan. So I'm going to check out what they have on the menu.
Look at their eyes.
Apparently we'll come too late. They said the restaurant week menu closes at 10 and it's past 10. It's about 11 now. So they have soups and salads, sandwiches and wraps. Of course a drink menu. Cocktails and stuff.
Alicia,
yes. Nachos and quesadillas. Is pure finger food? Pasta, party platter, and specialty cocktails. Let me see what them have and come back. So guys, I'm so sorry that I even spoke of this restaurant on my vlog because this is the worst restaurant I've ever been at. So first of all, they came in, there's a lot of kids in there. They gave us these menus and have us sit at the table for approximately 20 minutes. No one even came to ask us what the hell we wanted to eat, and we just passed the guy and him just jumping and car and gone. So I'm heading to another place. Bye bye for this place, and I definitely don't recommend it. See y'all at another location. The kitchen closed. So we're not enough food, and that's it. That's why we're telling the news. But there are options, and so we can try 100 or. Alright guys. Alright, so we'll come at Terrence and them too. So the guys are going crazy. No, but I'm not cold though. No. Yeah, they might go crazy because everybody hungry and no food. Alright. So guys, we're literally at location number 3. We're at 100 now. 3rd spot trying to find food. It's closed because I'm right now very hungry, and it seems like we'll come out too late. Everywhere is legit closed. Kurtwood, please keep it open. Victory! I can pull my belly now. Hallelujah. Yes. So guys, it's seriously like the hunt for food. I left work late, so I had to come out late. I know it seemed like all the restaurants closed. I can't get no food. and I'm legit mad. We're gonna try one more spot and then we'll see what's going to happen. Okay guys, so we are at location number 4, and this is somewhere I don't really like coming to when I want to vlog, because they don't like us to vlog inside of this restaurant. I think I've told you that before. This is Terranova. It's so desperate I'm so desperately hungry I had to come here. So if you guys don't really see me vlogging nothing, that's because they don't allow me to vlog in here. But let's see, I'm gonna hide my cam. Yes, finally get some food. Not what we were hoping for, but God save lives. And my favorite drink whenever I come here is the slide. Food done. Why Sherry's left born. I left that. And I got that, but I don't really like it. Kurt would waste it done. No pork. Now to demolish this drink. Crazy motherfucker, you. DJ Kurt.
You said him.
Yes, I don't mind that curse. Oh, wait, that one sing. Oh my God. What the words then? Weird. That one named sit down and fling. My stomach is like legit big. Cause I must eat one bag of food. Sherry's. Me. Home time. Yes. Yes. Alright guys, so we are leaving Terranova. Some old for them. I don't know if I can see.
I have the camera? No.
You have it now. You know. So guys, I have on this jeans from Fashion Nova. I have this little thing.
Okay, where they going?
I have this little stringy thing. I have on this little off the shoulder creamish top.
White then.
It's cream. It looks white on camera, but it's
It's weird though.
I have on the shoes. I don't remember where I got the shoes from, but yeah. So this is my little outfit. I'm like a rat. My little rat.
You ready?
Yeah. Who?
The horse.
My what?
Your horse.
Oh, and I have my little horse, you know? My
Where's the
little horse tail,
The horse
it's
is-
right here. Yes, bitches.
You ready?
And I have my little ass, you know? But
Ready?
the butt. Bubble, butt. But my butt not showing.
Stop it.
Bubble butt. Bubble. Yeah. So that's
Oh boy.
no time for the picture. Bye guys.
Bye.
See y'all tomorrow.
Definitely tomorrow.
Alright.
Good.
It's a shirt.
Yeah.
Bye. Please message me. Save my listen. Alright guys, so we reach home and the guys are now leaving. They're going away. And this is me. I'm not gonna do too much talking tonight because I'm really tired, and I have a big old day tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna close the vlog here, and then whatever I do tomorrow, you guys will be seeing that differently. So see y'all tomorrow. No, I'm saying it wrong. See you all in my next vlog. Hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe this video. If you're new here, check out my other vlogs. I do lots of fun vlogs and challenges. And I don't know, peace. Subscribe. Bye.
Cause right now